Hello my dear lovely friends and my beautiful viewers. Welcome to my channel. I'm Creation. So dear friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. May Allah keep you happy, keep laughing, keep smiling in the same way. Ameen. So friends, today's video is very great designing ideas, and today I'm showing our all trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, most stylish and most wearing crochet vintage style granny square mini skirts. So dear friends, today's video is very great designing ideas, and this video will be very helpful for you. So friends, if you are new on my channel, so you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos, and you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. So friends, I will try my best to show all new ideas. So please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. You can get ideas, so take care of yourself. See you soon with new gorgeous collection and new latest trendy and marvelous ideas. We will be right back. Bye bye.